Hey guys, this is Alex from 4C Trading. Today I'm on a coin called Venus. This coin was actually called by one of the guys last night on our live stream. We had a pretty good time, and I'm seeing that it has a market cap of only 500 mils and it's listed on Binance, so it definitely has still a lot of potential more to go up more, right? The circulating supply, it's only 1/3. Let's just see if there's anything saying here in terms of what, but yeah. So basically, let's jump right back at charts. We are on XVS on the USDT chart on Binance as classics, because definitely like to use Binance the most if they have a proper history for it. And for this one, you can definitely see it's been listed a quite long time. I mean, if you can call this long time, about 6 months, 7 months in crypto, right? I mean, you could probably say that during the current times, how things move so fast in crypto, this could be deemed as a long time already. So yes, let's talk about more about this. So definitely when I look at price action of this coin, it has done several good things, and I will point it out right now. So the overall price action, you pumped without a retracement. So what naturally followed was a large retracement, which was about probably 50%, or it's a little bit more, even 60%. So all the way down here, you've created and pumped from this nicely looked level, which in the case if we were trading it, we would definitely take a trade here. So I don't remember we did, but we probably didn't cover this token before on the live stream, just the last time that one gentleman called it. You get a nice reaction, you get a nice TP out of it, and now you're kind of returning to the same area. So now currently, when you do something, you did gain something to the left side. So we would be kind of watching for the same exact trade on the same exact place, even though it was already tested twice. So here you did gain above this, so you would be looking for another trade here. But this is what this coin did, something that I really like. It actually swooped the low, right? It actually swooped the low, but just a little bit, but just a teensy bit, enough to take out many of the stop losses and grab liquidity, and close right back bullishly in above this area that we just stated, right? Right back in and started pumping. And now we have gained plenty of things. We have gained over this area that we just stated, and we have gained even over this area. So now what we can do in this one is we can move in for a kill in this case, or should I say for a nice little opportunity to do a trade on it. Now, as you've probably been guessing, the trade will be located at around about this area, which is now the main one for us that we need to hold actually for this to pump. And I'm suspecting that we will not be getting a fat stop loss on this as well, because I mean, it does look like a pretty clean structure here with a pretty clean stop loss, just the way I like them, right? So let's just kind of see what kind of percentages on stop losses are we actually discussing here. So now I'm going to be putting the stop loss right underneath this VIX, and we can say that it's just right there at around 10%. I was expecting a little bit less, but it's just around the corner of 10%, which is okay, because our profit takes, how high we're gonna go, because we are gonna go all the way to the top. So we'll see what kind of gains we actually can possibly make. Now, before we move forward, all of the prices can be seen on the right side of my screen, but if you're using phone or something, 47% is our stop loss, and the buy area is between 52, 53 and $51, right? So between 51 and 53 is around our buy area. Now if you look for the profit takes, let's see the profit takes. Yeah, sorry, that's my cat meowing a little bit. Now let's actually look for some profit takes that we can possibly indulge in on this coin. Now, one of the profit takes, I'm seeing it right around here, is gonna be probably a pretty good one for us already R-wise, but it's gonna be located at around this. So this is mainly now when we're gonna do a pullback. This is an area that we next need to break if we wish to continue. And this is why we need to take the profit take here, because we do not know at the time if we are going to continue this. So better to stay safe than to be sorry, right? Especially if the bull market is gonna continue, then obviously this chart will probably continue as well, but at the moment we don't know that just yet. So if we're taking this profit take right down the middle, you can see it's not the brightest one. We are getting about 23% or 2.19 R, and that's actually funny when I say this is not the brightest target, because this is absolutely insane for a regular market target, but when it comes to crypto, 23% is apparently not even exciting that anymore, especially when you have all of those Uniswap coins popping left and right. So yes, this will be about $12 movement on the entire chart, and you can see the profit takes is around 64 bucks, right? 63. So you can really see there again on the right side of my screen. So now for the secondary profit take, and this one, you know, I could be playing it safe because you obviously have two options here. One of the options here, because we can already see the you know, area is sort of starting here, but then you got a second option in this case that you can also go and pursue. It is around here. So I'm gonna make this one a different color box. Sorry, let me make this a different color box so it can sort of represent two possible options. So yes, talking about a safe option right here. Now you can see this one brings us up to about 4.18R, 44% or $23 on a chart move, right? So that is about 75 bucks, $74. And you can see this one is pretty good. Definitely a very nice trade, something that I would be taking I would be taking this a lot of the times, because obviously 45% is nothing to be ashamed of. But then if we take it all the way up to the dangerous area, in this case more risky one, it brings us 5.7R, 61% or $84. So in this case we are getting close to that double up area. Now you already know I mostly take a lot of profits in the second area. I really like to take a lot of profits in the seconds area, and that's also one of the main cash makers, you know, are these second type areas. So now in this one I definitely should recommend, if the bull market is going to continue, that we also continue with the profit takes, right? So one of the profit takes, I would probably take it in this case. The last one would be all the way to the top. I really like to take them before they go on towards new highs, right? And I'm actually not finding the same color that I used before for these boxes, so I guess doesn't matter now. So right, I like to take them right on the top, and if I look at those boxes, you can see if I do that, it's about 90%, 8.5R or almost $100 on the move, right? So yeah, it is $47 that we totally gain from that, but it's not quite a double. It's not quite, you know, the one that you double up. But there is also other possibilities here, right? If you already go that high, chances are big that you're gonna continue over to the all-time high, right? So then you can start employing our tactics to what we've discussed in many live streams now and also in many videos, right? If you pump and you pull back, right, you wait for that reaction. If you do get a reaction, you pump above again. Once you create that high, you move the stop loss underneath it, right? And you just keep on continuing doing that and moving your stop loss, right? And that's the kind of way that I would take approach if I'm gonna go and chase that over top, right? In this case, you definitely have chances to making good money. I'm not gonna lie, you definitely have good chances, and you can see there are many profit take areas that we currently have. So yes, you can scroll back to the videos. I've actually named them all up. So yes, guys, please do subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment under the video, right? Also join us at maybe one live stream. We do them at every Tuesday, you know, at 5 p.m. UTC time. And also, please do check out our 4C blogspot, you know, when we do Bitcoin analysis, discuss random different coins, and also, you know, just post content that will help you on your trade to become a real trader. So thank you for watching, guys, and see you in the next one.